There it is.
But you're making it look so easy.
The last one was not bad. The one before it fucked me up.
It was bad.
Oh, we're gonna dab it, right? A dab will do ya.
All right, Ethan and Hila. This is Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. It is tradition around here to put a little dab on the last wing. You don't have to if you don't want to. I will pass it around.
You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm gonna put extreme peer pressure and I'm going to humiliate you and let everyone know what a bitch you are. If you don't. You don't have to though. I get it, dude.
But be careful, Ethan. That jiggle move that you just had was making me a little nervous. That's a leaky tap.
Oh shit! I thought it was. Now, what kind of fucking idiot makes the hottest sauce in the world without a little dabbing?
I don't know. That's a fair point. It's a
what an
strong
asshole,
point.
Blair. Fuck you, Blair. You must ruin my day, dude. Okay, well. Okay, it's very viscous. It's coming right out. Oh, okay.
That's good. That was a good
dab?
textbook dab right there.
Been dabbing for years, boy.
This is scary.
This is really
It
tense.
is. It's intense.
Now, just slide
This is
out
a
there.
high drama
Nice and
situation.
slow, nice and slow. Ooh.
Wow. So graceful.
Have you ever seen dabbing like
so
that?
graceful.
All right, this is gonna hurt.
All right.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm feeling my heartbeat like going up.
Going in. I just ate the dab. That's fine, right?
Yeah, you killed it.
But
Great job, Ethan.
there's probably more in that dab than
Check the box.
I may puke,
Now?
but I'm fine.
I've said it once and I'll say it again. You know, hot sauce, it's sort of the truth serum. When it hits you, it unlocks something deep down inside of you. And you two are couples goals through the roof, but we all know that it's not always paradise, okay? It's
Wow,
not
we're
always
gonna take it here,
paradise.
huh?
So we're
Let's
gonna
go.
have a little Blair's Mega Death Sauce couples therapy question, but I'm kinda gonna focus it on Hila.
Oh,
Hila,
I'm scared.
what is Ethan's most annoying quality?
Okay.
Holy shit, man! I feel like this is like cut.
Ethan can sometimes lose his shit very quickly from something very stupid, like his iPhone not starting for some reason.
I push the button, you turn on. It's a simple exchange. Like, I can't handle it. It's like, what the fuck, dude?
What's Hila's most annoying quality?
She makes it my responsibility to figure out what for her to eat. She's like, I says, do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want me to grill you cheese? Do you want me to make you eggs? Do you want me to go get some? No, I don't feel like that. I don't feel like that. I like fucking bend backwards to kind of put some meat on her. Her dad says, her dad says to me before we leave Israel, he goes, make sure she gains weight. Says, fucking Yochanan, my word of honor. And then when she has nothing to eat, she gets mad at me. She says, you never try to help me figure out what to eat. And it's like, that's literally all I think about.
Why does shit feel like my skin ate it?
We have one wing left to go, and we are now to the final hot sauce.
Okay.
It is Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. It's tradition around here to put a little extra dab on the last wing. You don't
Who the hell
have
did this?
to if you don't want to. I just do like a little that. That's a little excessive, but like a little extra. You don't have to if you don't want to, Keke Palmer. You don't have to if you don't want to. You don't have to.
Don't make me seem like I'm a wimp.
Whoa. All
I'll
right.
take a
All right.
challenge.
All right. Easy though. That's you're bouncing it, and it's making me nervous that you're gonna.
Is that enough?
That's good. That's good.
The hell he's saying that's good.
I get nervous for people. We have people come in here and they're like, bleh, and then they're like a little reckless with it, and then they like glob their last wing, and then I'm like, do you have like a thing after this? You know what I mean? Like
Who's done this the best?
The best. Okay. I would say who handled it the best, maybe YG.
Keenan.
Well, he was telling me that he goes to Wingstop, he gets atomic wings, and then he dips them in
He was
atomic
acting.
sauce. But I'm sitting across, and like right now, like Keke, I would say this: you're handling it right now way better than our average guest. Okay? But I was sitting across from YG,
Yes.
and he was like, No big deal.
He was not
adding
phased at
more.
all?
He was mad at us for not making him hot enough.
Are you kidding me?
No joke, no joke. So YG was great, Tommy Chong, Jay Farrow, all these people. Keke Palmer. Definitely Keke. Top 10. Top 5?
Let's take this last one.
All right.
Cheers. Cheers. I really appreciate you for letting me come on here.
I appreciate you for coming in and eating chicken wings and answering my questions.
It's a fun gag.
It is?
I enjoy it.
Are you sure you don't regret it? I worry about that. I think about that.
Why does shit feel like my skin ate it? Why the
feels
hell
like
is
your
my
s-
skin on fire?
Where is your skin on fire?
Right here. My skin is birdie, B.
There?
It's bird here. It's bird.
I don't know. That would be a new thing, but listen, we've had people go places. You're now going somewhere, aren't you now?
Interesting. Hot sauce that plays tricks.
And speaking of tricks, it would be a waste of a Keke Palmer interview if we did not talk about the gag is. Your signature phrase, the gag is. I love it when I see it on Twitter, the gag is. I love it when you're on these late night shows and you're doing the gag is. So what I wanna do is have a little gag is off, okay? I'll hit you with a little gag is joke, then you hit me with a little gag is joke, and then the first one to run out of gag is jokes loses. Does that sound good?
All right, sounds good.
All right. I just took a dab of Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. The gag is, I have to do it because this is the only real thing cooking in my career right now.
I'm sweating like a hound, but the gag is I didn't exercise. I just ate some hot wings.
I thought that this would be a good idea, but the gag is, I have a little hot sauce in my windpipe right now and it's getting kind of difficult to talk, so I won't challenge you to go any further. Keke, you made it through. You cleared the board. Look at you.
I'm crying. Behind his glasses, there is a human being.
All right, DJ Snake, it is tradition around here to dab the last wing with a little extra Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. You don't have to
Oh my
if
God,
you
what
don't want to. I know you have a show tonight. You don't have to if you don't want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. Uh-oh. Be careful.
Let me see.
That's smart. More of our guys should do that, yeah.
Let me breathe.
Fair.
Too complex.
Hey,
Odd one.
to DJ Snake. Okay.
Yo, what the fuck?
It's just, yeah, you'll never be the same. All right.
Terrible. Fuck this shit.
There, oh man. What a comeback story. All right, DJ Snake, you're an earnest guy. You came from nothing. You grind and you try to inspire people who come from the same humble beginnings. So now, while the death sauce is creeping in on you, it's finding that spot in your soul. I have to know the DJ Snake guide to success and prosperity. What advice do you have for the dreamers out there?
Stay true to yourself. Keep believing in your vision. Don't listen to nobody. Don't copy nobody. And don't eat those fucking wings.
That's probably the best advice we've ever had on our Wing 10 finale. DJ Snake, you made it through. It wasn't easy, but you probably feel better for it. Maybe
I
not.
need that one.
Hey, I got you.
Can I?
Don't worry. We
This
got
one's
you
amazing.
that. Take the table. We got you an extra. But you know how it goes. This camera, or this camera. Let the people know what you have going on in your life. That's hot. We have one wing to go and one hot sauce to go. This is Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. It's tradition around here to put a little extra dab on the last wing.
So a little dab will do ya?
Little dab will do ya. Little dab will do ya. You don't have to if you don't want to. I know you have a meeting after this.
Oh, this is gonna be great. Everybody's gonna sit there and experience this. Liquid Rage.
Liquid Rage.
Okay.
All right, that's generous. That's generous. Okay.
Yeah. I'm hot. How did Rach do?
Rach killed it. Rach killed it.
She's a gangster.
She's gangster.
I mean, let me tell you something.
She was like just doing them straight off of a spoon and stuff. She's crazy. Crazy.
Oh, so you didn't have good wings for her.
She had like very high, like she's like a brine, like at a whole.
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Like, all right, Rachel.
And they didn't get it. You got mine from down the street at some pizza
It's not easy to get wings in LA at 10 in the morning.
No, because you got them last night.
No, we didn't. We got them this morning, right? Only the best for guys.
That guy looks shady. That's hot. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's
dumb.
Yeah.
All right, Guy Fieri, as we've talked about already, there's a lot to celebrate about Guy, but as we all know, heavy is the head that wears the crown. I do wonder, while you're dying on the Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage, what do you say to the think piece writers, the culinary know-it-alls, who think that it's all bleached hair and no sauce? What do you say to the naysayers out there, Guy Fieri?
I really don't give a shit. I mean, it's not that people don't have their opinion. I think everybody should have their opinion. But I really don't get too tied up with it. If my mom walks up to me and says, hey, by the way, don't ever wear that shirt again on the show. All right?
No more shirt.
I got you. If my manager Reed comes and says, hey, by the way, you shouldn't have said that on that, I'll listen to what he has to say. I mean, have I ever been annoyed by something? Without question, I'm human. I'm just like anybody else. But do I let it get in the way of my day? Not at all.
You don't let that get in the way of your day, and you don't let scorching hot chicken wings get in the way of your day either, Guy Fieri. This camera, or this camera. Let the people know what you have going on in your life.
When I get a chance to have my soapbox to stand on for a second, that's what I like to say. This food revolution that's happening right now, that we're all getting a chance to participate in, that you're doing a great job of representing in a very sadistic way. Teach your kids to cook. Teach them how to cook. We went through all these generations of kids that we were in processed foods and drive-thrus and all this, and nothing against restaurants. I'm in the restaurant business. But we need to have a time and a place. And we need to teach kids the core fundamentals of cooking. It's a life skill. Put down the cell phone, come in the kitchen, let's work together on cutting the onion and making the queso dip.
They say there's an eclipse, there's a black hole, there's whatever. We need